Good morning, student. The next article in fifth chapter, applications of electromagnetic waves, computer tomography. You are well known the CT scan. What is by computer tomography? Computer tomography CT is sophisticated X-ray technology. It is advanced X-ray technology to help detect a variety of diseases and condition of the body. CT scanning is fast, painless, non-invasive, and accurate. In emergency cases, it can reveal internal injuries and bleeding quickly enough to help save lives. Tomography is imaging by sectioning. The image produced is known as tomograph. Tomogram. Computer tomography is medical imaging technique which uses computer processed X-rays to produce tomographic images or slices of specific areas of the body as shown in figure 1a and b. This is the typical block diagram of CT scan. This is the X-ray source. These are the source. This is detector panel and patient or material put in this panel. The sources will pass through this patient and collect the rays in detector panel, and it is the CT scan film. These are the typical diagram of CT scan, and these are the actual diagram of CT scan. The patient will be sleep in this bed. It will goes and in this X-ray source and scanning will be start. Computer tomography or CT scan is a diagnostic material test that, like traditional X-rays, it produces multiple images or pictures of the inside of the body. The cross-sectional images generated during a CT scan be reformatted in multiple planes and can even generated three-dimensional images, 3D images. These images can be viewed on a computer monitor, printed on film or by 3D printer, or transferred to a CD or DVD. CT images of internal organs, bones, soft tissues, and particularly of tissues and blood vessels. Using specialized equipment and expertise to create and interpret CT scan of the body, radiologists can more easily diagnose problems such as cancer, cardiovascular diseases, infectious disease, appendix trauma, and musculoskeletal disorder. The diagnostic uses of CT scan is CTs is computer tomography is an important tool in medical imaging to supplement X-ray and medical ultrasonography. It has more recently been used for preventing medicine or screening for diseases. The main disease is head. CT scanning of the head is typically used to detect infection, tumors, calcification, hemorrhage, and bone trauma. Tumors can be detected by the swelling and anatomical disorder they cause or by surrounding edema as shown in figure 1. These are the slices. So many slices given by computer tomography and found these are the 3D images. Ambulance equipped with small bore multi-sliced CT scanner respond to cause involving strokes and head trauma. The second one is lung. CT scan can be used for detecting both acute and chronic changes in the lung, pancreas, that is the internal of the lungs as shown in figure 2. This is the diagram of lungs. It is particularly relevant here because normal two-dimensional X-rays, depending on suspected abnormality, lungs abnormality, for evaluation of chronic interstitial process, this section with high spatial frequency reconstruction are used. Often, scan are performed both in inspiration and expiration. This special technique is called high resolution CT scan. Therefore, it produces a sampling of the lung and not continuous images. Use only one image for the lung. The next one is cardiac. With the advent of sub-second rotation with multi-slice CT up to 320 slices, high resolution and high speed can be obtained at the same time, allowing excellent imaging of the coronary arteries, cardiac CT angiography. Then next one is abdominal and pelvic. CT is sensitive method for diagnosis of abdominal diseases. It is used frequently to determine stage of cancer and to progress. To follow progress. It is also a useful test to investigate acute abdominal pain. The next one is extremities. CT is often used to image complex fractures, especially ones around joints, because of its ability to reconstruct the area of interest in multiple places. Fractures, ligaments, injuries, and dislocation can be easily recognized within a 0.2 mm resolution. Then advantages of tomography. The several advantages that CT has over traditional 2D medical radiography. Firstly, CT completely eliminate the superimposition of images of structures outside the area of interest. Second one is because of the inherent high contrast resolution of CT, differences between tissues and that differ in physical density by less than 1% can be distinguished. Finally, data from a single CT imaging procedure consisting of either multiple contiguous or one helical can be viewed as image in the axial, coronal or sagittal planes depending on the diagnostic task. This is referred to as a multiple reformatted imaging. CT is generated as a moderate to high radiation diagnostic technique. The improved resolution of CT has permitted the development of few new investigations which may have advantages compared to conventional radiography.